Hi, my name is Caesar, and I am the creator of the Kickstarter project for the M135 film holder. So if you shoot film and you've tried to digitize your film before, you've probably found that flatbed scanners suck and are really slow, and that DSLR scanning or mirrorless scanning is the way to go, but there aren't a whole lot of options out there for keeping your film flat, centered, at an affordable price point. So my solution to that was creating, here's a 3D prototype, the film holder, the 35 millimeter film holder. And as you can see, the beauty of it is how easy it is to keep film centered, flat, and there's really no resistance when you're putting it in. And as an added bonus, if you have slides, you can directly place without having to fiddle around with any adapters, wing nuts, any hardware. It just quick on the fly change. So basic, got two-piece construction, and it just snaps together like that. So the reason we want to injection mold these is that with these 3D printed prototypes, 3D printing is actually really unpredictable. A whole lot can go wrong. And there's still a lot of rough edges that have to be hand sanded down individually in order to make sure that these don't scratch your film. So with the injection molding process, you basically just fill up the mold, inject it, pop it out, and it's ready to go, completely smooth, no imperfections. So our startup cost for the mold alone is $3,000 plus manufacturing, plus fulfillment, and we would really love if you could be a part of this project so that I can get these holders out to everyone.